So we're at PassingGear Studio 70. We're going to give the 55 a la 318 a cold start video. Somewhere around high 20s, I think, today. It has a 750 double pumper, Demon carb, no choke. One moment later. Why doesn't it focus? Alright, we're getting there. Alright, start over. Mopar! Actually, Chrysler power. See what this bad boy looks like. There we go. Takes a licking, keeps on ticking. Well, I haven't heard that tick before. I don't know where that's coming from, but I'm sure it'll go away.